out here.
430 SRG 430 white Lexus.
He's saying to me, nice parking. I need a little bit of slack
here. What did you say after that?
Shut up. That's what I said. Shut up.
Have a good night.
What is your biz?
What happened, ma'am?
I want you to see the video. I went up. I was in here earlier today. I have company. I went up earlier today. I got some stuff. Now, if they have a tape, this is exactly what's going to happen. So I was bringing up the stuff. I was talking to the lady, and I said something she didn't like, and she went spastic. I'm going to call the manager. I'm going to call the cops. Like,
on October 27th, 2022, officers responded to a trespassing call at a retail store. What followed illustrates the legal consequences of non-compliance with lawful orders.
Okay. God!
Okay.
For what? For what? So I want you, they would not show me the tape. Because I know what I did and what I said. I'm a very kind person. I'm not mean at all.
You were here earlier today, ma'am?
I was here earlier.
Have you had anything to drink?
Yes, we did.
How much have you had to drink?
Soiree at my house. I had a couple cocktails at my house. Ask her to do the receipt.
Okay, ma'am. Real quick, I just need you to do something for me, all right? Stand still with the hands by your side. Just look straight ahead. Face the tip of my tongue. Follow with your eyes.
That's not your tongue. That's your finger.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're very welcome.
Look at the tip of my finger. Follow with your eyes only. Please have a seat by your vehicle, ma'am. How can we help you?
I just wanted her to leave the store.
Okay.
And I was going to.
Okay.
So right now she is heavily intoxicated and can't drive. Would you be okay if this vehicle stays here while she calls for a ride?
I am.
Can you call for a ride, ma'am? Can you call for a ride to leave the store, ma'am?
For what? What is the reason?
You are intoxicated. I'm not letting you drive this vehicle. Okay. If you do, I will let you.
I'll call for a ride. Where would you like me to park my car?
They're okay if here.
I don't care what they're okay with. I want to know what you're okay with. If they're the rudest.
They're okay with the vehicle being on the lot.
Where would you be okay with me? Backing it there?
Ma'am, you're not driving this vehicle. If you start that vehicle, I will arrest you.
No.
I will arrest you if you start it.
I won't start it. I won't start it.
Get your phone. Get somebody on their way to pick you up.
All right. That's a deal.
If need be, I will move this vehicle a little bit forward. They're all right if the vehicle sits in the lot. Anything else I can do for you guys?
I'm thinking of having her trespass.
Sounds good. I'll start that real quick.
You know what? I didn't bring my phone. Oh my God.
Is there a number I can call somebody for you to come pick you up?
I would like to use your phone if you don't want. I don't have mine.
Sure.
I'll get the paperwork started. Is this vehicle registered to you, ma'am?
You want me to know a number?
I just was went on.
Okay.
Ma'am, is this vehicle registered to you?
Yes, it's my vehicle.
Okay. Here's what we'll do.
Why would you
Let's
do
put
this to me?
your name or signature here. I'll be up there one time.
Okay,
this.
we'll take a step back.
I just want to park my car and I want to go home.
I'm gonna finish this first.
She agrees to not come to the property at all anymore.
No problem.
So if there's any,
Tell them now I'll sign it. How dare they ever say to me that they think they're better than me to come into this property? We can go and sign it now. And it'll never
that's what
happen
he's
again.
doing now. You don't have to actually sign anything. He just has to finish it.
I'm signing it. Oh, we're walking in there and we're signing it.
No, it's
They're
out here.
telling
We're
me
not going back
that I
into the
can't
store
walk
anymore.
into that
Correct.
property.
If you do, it's an arrestable offense. So we don't want that to happen.
Like I would. Oh my God, this is obscene. I have better things to do. No offense to you, but this is really stupid. I want you to go in there right now. I want you to pull that video. She sold me everything. She said something to me I didn't like, and I said it back to her, and then she took back my stuff, but she sold it to me. So now, who's in the wrong? Who is in the wrong? She is. If she doesn't think that I'm capable of drinking, I should have never been sold it. So now we're going back in there.
People can drink. They can't drink and drive. So that was the condition.
Let me tell you what. She had already asked me. She goes,
can you step over this way? There's a car coming. I don't want you to get hit.
I seen it. I want to go in there.
You're not going in the property. You'll be arrested otherwise.
Well, then you guys go in because I'm calling tomorrow. She goes,
This is paperwork?
I'm not serving you. I don't think you should be served, and she
And they're
still
allowed
did.
to do that as a business. Here's your
She
copy.
still did.
Ma'am, do you understand they're not allowed back on the property? Ma'am, if your vehicle is left this way, it'll be towed. So would you
told me
like
I
it moved?
couldn't
I don't want you to
move it.
drive it.
They're okay with the vehicle staying.
Where it
No.
is? Like it is?
No.
It's not pulled all the way forward, so that's the only thing I was worried about.
Ma'am, why don't I pull your vehicle forward so it's on the road? Can I do that? I'm just gonna move it into the parking lot. Do you have your key I could use? Ma'am, I'm gonna pull into that parking lot where you're at. Ma'am, I'm gonna move forward, okay? Ma'am, I'm gonna move forward after he's out of the way. Watch your door. And yourself. So now there's nothing inside your car that you need? I'm gonna lock it up, okay?
I'm not gonna have any way to unlock it.
Where's the key?
I gave it to her.
Oh, okay. No. Those are not the keys.
Can I take a look at those keys real quick?
You can get anything you'd like.
But that unlocks it, right?
That's-
Okay, well then that's what's the important thing. Ma'am, he had...
I'm not allowed to start the car. I forgot.
Yeah, I'm aware. He has a fob, so it works. That is your key.
The one I took from the center console.
I know it's my key.
It's
but
the one from the
not
center
gonna
console.
start the car. Go try.
It's going to start because it did before.
That's how I started it. I don't know what we're trying to do.
Give
Okay.
me those keys. Give me these keys.
Okay.
Watch. Do it.
Ma'am, your attitude is not needed.
Guys are
We're trying to help
I don't know what my keys. I'm telling you, those aren't the keys. They're old keys that just been in there. Listen, I'm a lazy bitch.
They just,
I get new keys. I get new fobs. That's what I use.
Didn't it lock?
about my own car?
Now it's
no,
not
it didn't work because these aren't the right keys. Like I said. That's what you guys gave me and fell on my pocketbook.
Yep.
I said that's what you guys gave me, and that's at my
I was making sure you had it.
Place or drive?
place.
Place.
Why? What's it to you?
Did you need a ride home?
Yes, please. Miss.
So calm down.
Miss.
Calm down. Your attitude is not needed when we're trying to help you. I will give you a
I'm
ride
all set.
home.
I'm all set.
We asked if it was place or drive for a reason. Ma'am, if you go into the property, you're going to be arrested now.
Shut up.
All right?
This is what we're doing.
Ma'am, you will be arrested. That's really unfortunate. This is ridiculous. Why are we doing this? Catch you
What
on
are
the
you
street.
doing?
Do not push my partner. Do not push my partner. Do you understand?
I didn't push her. I was walking.
Do you understand this camera is rolling?
I do. Listen, all I was doing walking back the other way.
Yeah, you should have thought about that when you heard me tell you were going to be arrested if you go onto the property.
Listen, you don't
Do
have
not
to hold me
tense
that
up.
hard. Listen, you don't have to hold me that hard. And listen, not that I can stand either one of you, but I do apologize for your inconvenience.
Don't move. Thank you.
You're welcome this time. You grabbed something out of my f***ing head again, you f***ing c***. What are you looking for?
You're going to jail.
I don't care if I'm going to jail.
Okay, great. It's a bit ridiculous when we asked you to stop and not go towards the store and you continue to do
I
so.
turned down that parking lot. We will see that video.
The seat.
Give me my purse.
You'll get it at the jail when you're released.
Give me my purse.
You don't get your purse.
Okay.
Sit.
Okay. These are out for.
Is that lady? Ma'am. Ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Are you going to push the issue with me?
I'm not pushing the issue at all. I'm not even speaking to you. Nor am I not
Ma'am.
responding to you or anything.
Ma'am.
They're
Manager.
doing the fucking most about.
Come here,
they're doing
manager.
the most 'cause I don't have
'Cause
a
listen,
mask. I was just here
ma'am,
yesterday without
ma'am,
a whole mask on.
I'm gonna explain
and he's
it.
doing the most just like
I'm going to explain it
shit.
to you. You need to tell her she needs to leave the store. You need to tell her in front of me, and if she doesn't leave, I'm going to arrest her for trespassing.
You can't arrest
Yes,
me
I
for
am.
trespassing. You have to do a paperwork on
Go
it.
ahead.
I know my law just
We're
like
gonna have
you.
to ask you to leave,
You
okay?
have to actually trespass me
Okay,
from
ma'am.
this store.
They're telling you
so
to
if
leave.
you're not trespassing me, you cannot arrest me. And you're not going to arrest me. No, you're not.
Ma'am, put your thing down.
No.
Put your thing down, ma'am.
No, because you can.
Ma'am.
Kia, can you come this store? Because he really trying to arrest me.
Turn around.
No.
Ma'am, easy.
The subject admitted drinking at home before returning to the store. Officers determined she was impaired and invoked public safety authority to prevent her from driving. The store employee exercised their property rights, requesting the subject leave and not return. Once this trespass warning was issued in an officer's presence, refusal to leave became a crime. Despite being told she'd be arrested if she started her vehicle, the subject entered the driver's seat. Under Pennsylvania versus Mims, officers can order occupants from vehicles during lawful encounters. She refused multiple commands to exit. The officer now had probable cause for arrest, trespass after warning, a misdemeanor committed in his presence. When officers attempted removal, she physically resisted. Graham versus Connor requires us to judge force reasonableness from the officer's perspective at that moment. Officers used empty hand control, taking her to ground in a controlled manner. The force stopped immediately once she was handcuffed. No strikes or weapons were used. Applying Graham factors: misdemeanor offense, minimal threat but active resistance. The force was objectively reasonable and proportional. She was charged with trespass and resisting with violence, later pleading guilty to trespass and the lesser charge of resisting without violence.
Let's make this easy.
What are you arresting me
Turn
for?
around,
Can
ma'am.
you tell me what you're arresting
Turn
me
around.
for?
Trespassing.
I'm not trespassing from here. You have
Ma'am,
to.
I asked you nicely,
Can
please.
you call your chief? No, don't touch me. Call your chief.
Come here. Give me a favor.
Can you call your chief?
Ma'am, get on the ground.
No. What's wrong with you?
Ma'am.
Like what? I'm not.
Ma'am.
No. What is? Are you serious? I'm gonna sue the out of you. Are you serious?
Turn around.
I am not
Turn
trespassing
around.
at this store. No.
Turn around.
And y'all doing all that for what? No.
Ma'am, I'm trying to be nice.
Exactly. Let me leave.
No, ma'am.
It ain't that you trying to be nice, sir.
Ma'am.
You look how you doing me for what? I'm a
Hey,
female.
I haven't done anything
Yes,
to you.
I'm not even trespassing at the
Ma'am,
store.
put your hands behind your back.
No, if you trespass
Ma'am,
me,
put your hands
that's the
behind your
only way.
back.
Can you call
Ma'am,
your
put your
chief?
hands behind your back. Ma'am, put your
Can
hands
you call
behind
your
back.
chief? Can you call your chief? Can you call your chief
No,
for me?
no, 'cause
why
I'm already
not? Can you call your chief?
Put your hands behind
Can you
your back.
call your chief?
Ma'am, put your hands
Can
behind
you
your
call
back.
your chief? You're not gonna unlawfully arrest me for no reason.
Ma'am.
I know my law. I don't give a fuck what you talk about. I have to be trespassed at this store in order for you to do any of this. So now I'm gonna sue the fuck out of you and the whole chief. Like I'm gonna make sure you get in trouble for this. You crazy. What is wrong with you? Can you call your chief, sir? Because first and foremost, you're dead wrong. Like you have no right to do this at all.
Yes, sir.
I'm not trespassed out the store. There's nowhere that say I'm trespassed at this store. And look what you're doing for no reason.
Ma'am.
This is why a bunch of black people get killed now.
and look,
Because of
ma'am,
shit y'all do.
sitting here nice and- nice
No,
to
you
you.
not. Look
Yes,
at you
ma'am.
on top of me. You attack me.
I'm not going to fight with you.
I'm not fighting with you either,
Okay,
my man.
turn over.
This officer really, you're arresting me
Yes,
for no
I am.
reason.
Yes, I am.
What is the reason you're arresting me? Can you
Trespassing.
tell me?
Trespassing.
Where am I trespassed? Do you have proof that say I'm trespassed?
Yes, I do, ma'am.
Where is it?
Right there.
That's not trespass. I'm not trespass. You have to have paperwork.
Ma'am.
No, you have to have paperwork to
Ma'am.
say I'm
Ma'am,
trespass.
stop yelling at
I'm
me.
not yelling. You in my face on top of me.
Wow, okay.
That's crazy as hell. He won't even call his chief because he know you wrong. You're not finna arrest me.
Ma'am.
Like that's crazy. No. I'm sorry.
We'll sit right here until another unit gets
Okay,
here.
I want your chief here, not no unit. Thank you, no reason. He's trying to arrest me for no reason.
Ma'am, do me a favor.
No, and record this. Like he really
Ma'am,
sitting
I'm
here.
recording it too, ma'am.
He really sitting here. They told me to
Ma'am,
leave because I didn't
ma'am,
have the
put
mask
your hands
on.
behind your back.
I told
Ma'am,
him
put your hands
that
behind
I
your
was
back.
just here yesterday
Ma'am,
without a
put your
mask
hands
on.
behind your back.
He trying
Ma'am,
to
put
arrest
your
me for
hands
no
behind your
reason.
back.
I'm not even trespass. He
Ma'am,
arrested
put
me
your
for
hands behind your back.
trespassing. No, because I'm not trespassing.
Ma'am,
Listen.
do me a favor. Back up, please, ma'am.
No.
Please.
That's crazy as f. First and foremost, he said he arrested me for trespassing.
That's correct.
I'm not even trespassing.
Yell some more. Yell some
I'm
more.
not trespassing.
Thank you.
Like what?
Thank you.
Stop.
Get on your stomach.
No.
Get on your stomach. Thank you. Ma'am, put your hands behind your back.
No, get off of me. What the f is wrong with y'all? You are my man.
Back up. Back up now. Get the cup. Everybody out. Out, out. Ma'am.
Can I get your chief? Can you call your chief? Like, what are y'all doing? Get off of me! What the f is wrong with y'all? Like, what? Man, get the f off of me! Like, what is wrong with you? Let me go!
Girl.
I'm not doing anything! I will walk! I will walk!
Hey, ma'am.
Like, don't do that.
Ma'am, thank you.
I will fucking walk!
Thank you, ma'am.
What is wrong with
Corporal Mazda right there. There's my supervisor right there. There's my supervisor right there. Yeah. Get her information for me, please. This one. Yeah. Sarge. I got here. They had told her numerous times to leave because she wouldn't put a mask on. I went up to her. I told her, ma'am, you need to leave the store. You need to leave the store. She refused in front of me. I even called the manager over. I said, tell her on camera in front of her she needs to leave. She refused to leave. I arrested her. That's exactly what happened. Call your lawyer. So nice. I was so nice. Problem is people can't follow instructions.
Resist with or without?
With. I mean, I had to really wrestle her to the ground.
If she's not a client, is she trying to hurt you?
She wasn't trying to hurt me, but she definitely was resisting. But I mean, just go with regular resist.
Okay.
What do you need, ma'am?
She wants to talk to a sergeant.
What can you do? What can I do for you?
What's the real reasoning? Like,
Okay, what's her charge?
Trespass after warning.
Trespass
and
after warning.
resisting an officer.
Resisting without violence.
right, but how, what warning, like, the officer didn't, he came in there, just ran, he charged me, and just, I was just in a store yesterday.
When
like,
a business owner or a representative says you have to leave immediately.
But I literally was just in that store yesterday. I didn't resist. The officer attacked me and pushed me to the ground. You're choking me. First and foremost, didn't y'all just see somebody die from being choked by an officer?
I've never seen anybody die.
Yeah, I know you have. Like, I don't think nobody missed George Floyd.
What's your name, Miss what?
It doesn't matter.
Okay,
like, y'all know
so here's what I'll tell you. Every officer has a body camera now, so everything was captured on video.
So ask him why he was sitting there looking like shit, because he know he was dead ass wrong.
If he was wrong,
he didn't have to attack me.
Call Internal Affairs.
I'm not gonna risk. Like, I'm not resisting arrest. Like, if you gonna arrest me for a legitimate reason, that's what he wouldn't even let me get a call. I still didn't resist. All I said was, I'm on the phone with my mother.
When an officer tells you to leave, you gotta leave immediately. No questions asked.
He didn't give me a chance. First and foremost, y'all don't like black people. Secondly, what I said was, yeah, you done because you know it's true.
Sentence: 50 hours community service, 12 months probation, and mandatory anger management. Officers earn a B+. They showed patience, clear warnings, and appropriate de-escalation attempts. The force used was reasonable and well documented. The subject receives an F. Every decision escalated the situation. Returning drunk, refusing to leave private property, entering the vehicle after being warned, then resisting arrest. The store gets an A- for properly exercising property rights while cooperating with officers to find a peaceful resolution. Here's what matters. Private businesses can refuse service and ban customers. When told to leave, you leave. Period. Officers can stop you from driving impaired under public safety doctrine. Fighting that decision gets you arrested, not your keys back. Resisting a lawful arrest is a separate crime. Even if you think the original charge is bogus, physical resistance adds new charges. Compliance isn't negotiable with lawful orders. Each refusal compounds your legal problems exponentially. Body cameras don't lie. They protect good cops and expose bad ones. They also disprove false accusations. Bottom line, this subject had multiple off-ramps. Call a ride, sign the form, walk away. Instead, she chose confrontation at every turn. Let us know what interaction or legal topic you'd like us to cover in the comments. Thanks for watching, and check out our second channel for more legal analysis.